In this example, we're going to rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. Keep in mind 90 degrees clockwise would be the same as 270 degrees counterclockwise, and the origin meaning 0, 0. So to do this, I'm going to physically move my paper 90 degrees clockwise. Remember, 90 degrees would mean one turn. So right now, my point A is at 3, -2. So I'm going to rotate my paper 90 degrees clockwise. And now my point A is at -2, -3. So I'm going to go back to my original and go to -2, -3. There is my new A. I'm going to rotate it again 90 degrees. B is now at -4, -5. So I'm going to go back to my original and do -4, -5. So there's B prime. And now C, when I rotate it 90 degrees, is at -5, -1. So I'm going to go back to my original, go to -5, -1. There's C prime. I'm going to take a ruler to make straight edges. And there is triangle ABC rotated 90 degrees clockwise. In this example, we want to rotate triangle ABC 180 degrees clockwise around the origin. Now keep in mind 180 degrees clockwise would be the same as 180 degrees counterclockwise. So to do this, I'm going to use a little trick and use something called tracing paper. So to use tracing paper, the first thing you're going to do is to trace A, B, and C, and I like to label them so I can remember where they match up onto my tracing paper. Now since I'm rotating around the origin, I'm going to put a little T here on the origin to show my middle. And I'm rotating 180 degrees. So I'm going to put my pencil here in the middle, and I'm going to do 2 turns to make 180 degrees clockwise. Now I have my new coordinates for A, B, and C. So I'm going to lift up my tracing paper here, and there would be A prime. I use my ruler to make my lines. And there you have it, triangle ABC rotated 180 degrees. And just to verify, if I turn my paper 180 degrees, that is the exact same thing that I see in the other quadrant. Let's rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees counterclockwise around point A. So notice we're going around point A on our shape and not the origin. So this is a vertex of our shape. And 90 degrees counterclockwise would be the same as 270 degrees clockwise. So to do this, I'm going to use my tracing paper. And notice it's the same one I just used before. So I'm just going to find another corner. I'm going to trace on here A, B, and C. Now since I'm rotating around point A, I'm going to put my little T on point A. And I'm going to go 90 degrees counterclockwise. So that's 1 turn counterclockwise. So I'm going to take my tracing paper, turn it 1 turn. So using that little T is helpful. And now you'll notice point A is in the same spot. And now I'm going to trace point B. I'm just going to go here. And then point C. And I'm going to take out my ruler. Have it, triangle ABC rotated 90 degrees around point A. And a way to check this is A, if you go down 1, 2, 3 over 2, you get point B. So from A, if you go down 1, 2, 3 over 2, there you have point B. And we can do the same to check with C. Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So there you've got it rotated around a point.